Looking for the best broker for horse properties or equestrian estates in Florida? Whether in Odessa, Ocala, or Tampa Bay, finding the right broker matters. Introducing Mr. Biggs, LLC, a full-service real estate brokerage serving all of Florida, including Tampa, Odessa, Lutz, Ocala, Okeechobee, and Lakeland. We specialize in equestrian properties and horse farms. From buying to selling, we deliver expert guidance. And when you're ready to sell, we help you defer capital gains taxes through a 1031 exchange, making it easier to upgrade to a better horse property without heavy taxes. Benefits include access to prime horse-friendly zoning and acreage in Odessa and Ocala, expert knowledge of barns, pastures, arenas, and agricultural exemptions, tax-deferred strategies to consolidate or expand your equestrian holdings. Simplified estate planning for heirs. We partner with real estate tax strategies so you get seamless brokerage and tax advice in one place. With over 20 years of combined experience, we make every move profitable. Don't buy or list your horse property until you explore your options. We offer free consultations tailored to equestrian owners. Consultations are free. Biggs results are priceless. Call or text at 877-672-4447, serving all Florida.